I wish you good health, happiness, love, and gratitude. May your birthday be the start of new opportunities and accomplishments. Continue to be sweet, generous, loving, caring, and God-fearing. Basta nandito lang kami lagi to support your decisions. Lagi kang susunod sa amin ha, especially kay mommy and daddy. Happy birthday! Love you!
Thank you so much, Ate Rian. Next we have... Okay, next we have Ate Belle.
Happy birthday, Mandy! Continue being loving, caring, and sweet. Lagi kang makinig kila mommy, daddy, at sa amin. Wishing you love, health, and everything your heart desires. Remember, if you need something, we are always here for you. I love you, man.
Thank you so much, Ate Belle. Next we have Ate Jaida.
Wish ko sa'yo na magkakasakit. I love you, Ate Manny. Happy
Thank you so much, Jaida. Next we have Ate Mel.
Happy birthday, Mandy. God bless you with good health.
Thank you so much, Ate Mel. Next we have Ate Shane.
Happy birthday, Mandy! Always be a good girl and study hard.
Thank you so much, Ate Shane. Next we have Ate Misha.
Happy birthday, Mandy. Sana lagi kang mag-irit at masunurin sa mga yung dati mo. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Maraming salamat po. Alright, para sa ating 7 melody gifts, proceed na kayo dito sa gitna. Let's have a group picture taken. And of course, mag-oversee na tayo sa ating 7 wheels and 7 wishes.